From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Dana Osgood here with your Friday evening CNET forecast. It's a pretty cloudy look over Beaver Stadium today. We didn't see much sunshine coming in at all except for in the very early morning hours. Currently at Beaver Stadium it is 48 degrees, though it feels a little bit cooler, closer to 44, and that's because of our wind coming from the west-northwest direction sustained at about 10 miles per hour. So for our weather headlines, this is going to give us a look at what we're going to be seeing over the next couple of days. So we're going to start out with a chilly weekend. Highs around this time of year are usually in the mid-50s, and we will struggle to get out of the 40s this weekend. We do have a dry start to the week, so before our next system moves in around Wednesday and Thursday, we do get rid of some of the scattered showers that we'll be seeing this weekend for a dry start to the week. And lastly, a burst of spring will have our spirits raised a little bit later in the week despite the rain, because we will be seeing some almost downright summery weather as we move into that time. For temperatures in our area, overall, State College is around 50 degrees. Beaver Stadium specifically was a little bit cooler. And if we expand this out fully, Pennsylvania as a whole is in the mid-40s to mid-50s. A little warmer down there in Philadelphia, but that's pretty standard for this time of year. So for temperature change over the past 24 hours, State College is split right down the middle. In the eastern portions of the state, it's about 10 degrees warmer today than it was yesterday, versus the western portion of the state, which is about 10 degrees cooler than it was yesterday. For our radar and satellite, we do have some scattered showers that are moving from west to east across the region, and you can see those outside today and into tomorrow as well. It's kind of in this bowling ball shape that is moving through the state, and if we expand inward a little bit, we can see those showers are mainly concentrated in the eastern portions of the state through tomorrow. Though Saturday we do see some of those what I like to call polka dot showers across the state, so they are extremely scattered, and we could even get some snow flurries up in the higher elevations as we move into the day on Sunday. Now these snow showers are going to be more like flurries, no accumulation or any sort of things like that, but we are getting into April and we're still seeing snow on the future radar. Now expanding this outward a little bit, we go back to Saturday, so we have that rain moving through our area. Now this model does show a pretty significant amount of snow showers covering a lot of the state here on Sunday. I believe this model overdoes it a little bit. Most of these showers are going to be just little flurries and really be broken up by the terrain. Now we remain mostly clear, though we do have some pretty significant cloud cover during the beginning of the week. Any scattered showers will be very scattered, so we don't have to worry too much about any significant rain until we move into the day on Wednesday, where we kind of have this messy, broken up system ahead of our main system, which is going to work its way in on Thursday. And if you can take a look at that comma shape there, that indicates a really mature system that'll be moving through our area kind of Thursday night into early Friday morning and during the day on Friday. But before we can get to that, we have to focus on tonight. So scattered showers continuing overnight with a low of right around 38, though our wind do calm down a little bit. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Yet again, that's the story for this weekend, with highs struggling to get out of the 40s and being almost 10 degrees cooler than we would usually have for this time of year. And look at our 7-day forecast. Spring returns on Monday, and look at that on Tuesday, almost downright summery as we jump into the 70s, and temperatures remain above average even as the rain comes in Wednesday and Thursday. So we have a little bit of spring cheer to look forward to, even if it's a little rainy. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Dana Osgood. Have a great weekend.